Thank you to Coldboard for sending me their smoke machine, the mini smoke machine. So let's start with what's inside the box. You'll see the user manual. Of course, you'll have the warranty card, the liquid for the fog machine, and a plenty of accessories like the USB-C charging cable and these accessories that you will have for making a different kind of smokes, a control for wireless operation, and this accessory that it's a magnetic ventilator for different uses. The design is minimalist and practical. The CF5 has a durable metal build, a handheld for easy transport, and a back panel with basic controls. You can see here how easy it is to fill up the machine, the smoke machine, so you will not have any problem doing this. It's very easy to change accessories because they are magnetic, so you will not have any problem changing accessories, so it will be very easy. Also, you can change the position of the top of the machine for different kind of uses. With 40 watts of power, the CF5 produces a surprising amount of fog for its size. It heats up in under 3 minutes and gives you strong, consistent puffs and fog that are perfect for adding drama to a product shoot. This smoke machine is ideal for adding atmosphere to almost any scene. You can see it in this example I made for you in my studio. This is without the smoke machine, and this shot is with the smoke machine, and it's amazing how it looks, very cinematic. If you are a content creator, filmmaker, or photographer looking to add some cinematic atmosphere to your shots, this mini fog smoke machine might just be your new secret weapon. It is amazing the different accessories you will have with this machine and the different kind of fogs you can make with them, like this kind of black ice effect. So it will be awesome to see this in your pictures or your films. Thank you again to Coldboard for sending me this product that I will definitely use it in my future films or photography. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.